Looking for a home, need someone who cares. Tijuana's the realtor who's always there.
Here's the truth your realtor might not spell out right away. Pricing your home isn't just about picking a number. It's a strategy game. Price too high, and you risk scaring off serious buyers. Your home sits on the market, gathering dust. Price too low, and you leave thousands on the table. Smart pricing comes from digging into local comps, understanding market trends, and evaluating buyer demand, not just looking at a Zestimate or online calculator. When priced just right, your home attracts the right buyers, sparks multiple offers, and often sells faster, sometimes even over asking price. A knowledgeable realtor isn't guessing. They're reading the market, watching what's moving, and advising you with data-backed insights. So before you list, remember this: pricing isn't just a number, it's your biggest marketing tool. And with the right strategy, you'll unlock the best offers. Want expert guidance to price your home right from day one? Reach out today at 704-777-1793 or email prime1realty@gmail.com. Let's build a winning strategy together.